Ever wonder if window tint goes on the inside or the outside of your car windows? It's a common question, and the answer actually makes a big difference in how long your tint lasts and how good it looks over time. Automotive window tint is always installed on the inside of the glass. This is the standard across the automotive industry, and it's done for one main reason: protection. Inside placement keeps the film safe from weather, road debris, and everyday wear. If tint were placed on the outside, it would constantly be exposed to sun, rain, dust, and dirt. Over time, that leads to bubbling, peeling, fading, and scratches, even from something as simple as washing your car. Inside installation helps the film last longer, stay clear, and maintain its color and performance. It also allows the tint to properly bond to a clean, controlled surface. The process starts with a deep cleaning of the glass to remove dust, oils, and residue. Then the film is carefully measured and precision cut to match your window. A solution is applied so the installer can position the film perfectly on the inside of the glass. Once it's in place, they smooth out all air bubbles, seal the edges, and trim any excess material. After that, the tint needs a few days to fully cure and bond properly. So the short answer is simple. Window tint goes on the inside for durability, clarity, and long-term performance. If you're thinking about tinting your vehicle, the team at Sun Control Minnesota can help make sure it's installed the right way the first time.